Hi all, welcome to Oracle Fusion Hub. Today we are demoing a tool that we have built, which is Oracle ERP data replication pipeline. So the problem that we are currently trying to solve is around the bulk extracts from the Oracle Fusion into a customer-owned database. So if you were to do the same activity currently, what you need to do is you would have to start creating BICC jobs with the different PVOs that need to be selected in an UI that is very much slow. You cannot do lot of the things with faster UI clicks. Then once you have your jobs configured, you have to uh, orchestrate those jobs and then build some kind of pipelines, either in OCI data integration or OCI data transforms. You have to set up all that infra on your OCI infra, and then configure those jobs, set up the ETLs around it, and then at the end you would uh, also have to do the transform layer in the Oracle database to actually create the final tables that need to be um, mm, that you can query. For example, in select start from GL balances, etc. So all that takes weeks, if not months, and until you finally see the data in your Oracle database, or even like MySQL or any other database. Now we are trying to solve that problem via this pipeline builder and reduce the amount of effort from weeks and months into hours or days, or even in fact minutes if the pipeline is a simpler pipeline. So the first thing that you can do is you just set up the connections, which are like your Oracle ERP and then Oracle database connections. And once you do that, you come back to the screen where we would show all the Fusion metadata, the BICC metadata that is readily available and configurable for you. Currently, you will see 2,649 PVOs with the mappings already done. And this is a configuration that we would be showing for every release. Currently, we are in 26A, so this is a current latest release that you can see. Now, I'll come back to a hierarchical, and today for this demo, I want to do some extracts for my general ledger. For example, I want to select around 5 PVOs, code combinations, cross validations, etc. Now I'll just click on preview results. So even though we have all this metadata available, it will also try to take uh, the latest metadata and show those results to you as well. So the target table is GL period tables, GL balances, GL encumbrances, and all that data for you. And now I'm good with this data. So what I'll do is I'll just click on run BICC now. So this will start a BICC jobs for you. It is currently in waiting status. So you'll also see the live log looks. So we have 6 PVOs that have been resolved. We are submitting the BICC extract. This is currently running. It will take a few seconds to complete the job for you. It all depends on how much data that you are um, extracting. If this is an incremental extract and you have only few thousand records, it will be faster. If it is a full extract, it will be a bit slower, but it all depends on what you want to uh, extract. And once the extract is completed, it will basically download all those files from UCM. And currently for this demo, I do not have a working Oracle database, so I can show the scripts that have been generated and how the data will be pushed into the Oracle database. For example, right now it is 274. So we can see 274, the different CSV files that have been generated. So some of them might not have data, but others might have data. For example, this is a code combination data that you will see. The rest, there are no cross validations for this demo database, so you will not see that. Now, if you go to the SQL files, these are all the different SQLs that are getting generated. So if you open this, it will create a staging GL code combinations table. Then it will load GL code combinations extract table from the CSV file. Then it will insert the data into staging code combinations. And then it will also merge into the main GL code combinations table. So this is how the scripts are being generated and the data will be pushed into the uh, the Oracle database. This is how you will cut down your efforts into the days or weeks or um, months of effort into one single hour at max. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.